Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can enable memories on Messenger chat. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your Messenger app and then logged into your account and go to main menu at the bottom right corner. In 2025 update, you will see over here. So you have to simply do is click on that setting button on the top, and then you will comes in this page, and you have to simply scroll down until you see this memories option. Click on that and then you will comes in this page of memories. You have to simply do is click on that toggle to turn on your memories, and whenever you get some memories on Messenger, it's gonna be saved or like backup your memories in the phone storage, or like your media will be uploaded on your phone, or like in your gallery, or like albums you can see over there. So that's it. That's how you can enable your Messenger memories. It's super easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.